What's good, y'all? Don't mind the stash, don't mind the stash. I don't know, I'm trying to figure out what to do with this right here. As you see in the title down below, I'm gonna be sharing my my creative space where I make videos, where I edit, what I used to edit. Hey, shout out to V, shout out to V. Yo, say something, you wanna say something? Subscribe to JREAMERS, Dre that. True. Behind me, I got my little collection right here. Do you guys want a video on that? Because right now I'm talking about my creative space. This is more about my my extra stuff, my little things. It's a little messy at the moment, but whatever, let's reveal it. Well, damn. Dre, you got a tall ass desk. I do got a tall ass desk. It's a standing desk actually. It goes up to my shoulders. No, I don't use it like this. I just did it for, oh my god. We'll talk about that later. Shout out to today's sponsor, Motion Gray, which this wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for them.
I really wanted to unbox it and show you guys, but the pets kind of got to it first. Also shout out to Motion Gray's YouTube for having installation videos, because that helped me a lot.
This table right here is a Motion Gray table, a standing table, electric table. It goes up and down, as you see right here. Ooh.
But this beast of a desk does not just carry one motor, it carries two, in both of the legs. Yes, both legs, which are both connected to the power brick right here. Basically, that means it carries a lot of weight, at least 250 pounds or more.
Metal stand, this thing was heavy. This was the heaviest one, this metal part right here. Jeez, that was so heavy, but that's the reason why I could carry so much like equipment, like these 3 monitors, well, 2 monitors and a PC.
The tabletop and the desk frame was actually shipped to me separately. When then I realized this is not pre-drilled, and then I got my drill and connected both to each other. I personally don't think you need a drill to connect them, but the drill did make the installation a lot faster. This Motion Gray desk has a controller here, which makes it super simple to go up or down. With a simple tap of the up or down buttons, it will go up or down with ease. It is possible at the desk lowest you could use it while sitting on the floor, if that's what you're into. Like, they get really low, like around 2 feet tallish. Actually, while trying this, it does feel pretty comfortable, so I might actually try this.
Now let's test it at full height.
It's a little bit too tall for me, but doable. Here's a real life-size cardboard cutout of V from BTS as comparison. Actually, this desk has been very helpful as a content creator, especially when I Twitch stream, especially when my Twitch chat makes me do burpees, like you see here. You can even program your favorite positions with this button. My number 2 goes all the way up. Oh, wait, let me stop that. And number 4 is the perfect setting for me. The desk itself is pretty solid and has a dark wood finish, as you see here. It also comes with already built in cable pass-through, which, you know, a way to organize your cables so it wouldn't be too much of a mess.
And now, the girlfriend test.
So you telling me I could edit and have my girlfriend on the table? I was actually thoroughly impressed by this because I already have like a bunch of equipment on the table, and adding my girlfriend Hedgen just actually impressed me more recording this. Let's go, Motion Gray. And now it's time for the
chair. God damn. Where'd you find this? Look at that seat. I can sit on it all day long. The wheels, the legs too.
The chair itself has been perfect.
The Motion Gray chair is an ergonomic chair which definitely helps with my back pains and neck pains. And because of this chair, it does improve my posture and boost productivity. It's definitely a chair I recommend, especially when you're sitting all day, whether it be an office job or just editing like I do. You can adjust the chair height up or down. You can adjust your seat forward or backward. Of course, you can recline in your chair, which is always a must. There's a lot of things you can adjust to make you feel the most comfortable while editing, doing office work, or maybe just browsing the web. The Motion Gray standing desk and chair does have a modern look as well to it, which I do love. I've almost had this chair and desk for almost a month, and it's already changed a lot in what I do in content creating. When I'm live streaming, it gives me an opportunity to just stand up and don't really have to adjust my camera. All I have to do is move the desk up and down, which is very helpful.
So if you're interested in a standing desk for your editing needs or a chair for your back, I'll put a link in the description to Motion Gray if you want to check it out. I've been using this for like almost a month now, and it's been really good. I'm actually really surprised. Now to explain the rest of the stuff. We already did the desk, fire. Chair, fire. Let me show you a little bit more. This is actually Hedgen's dock, Nintendo dock. I've been playing Pokemon. Love this Pokemon moving wallpaper. Pretty cute. Samsung Curve monitor. This is one of my favorite monitors. It's really big. I think it's like 26. Focusrite for the audio. You see right there. Which the mic is right here. I got a Shure mic right here. The ring light with the camera. I don't know if you could see it. Maybe I'll turn this down. This is the camera I use for most of my videos at the moment, and for my webcam streams, which is a Sony A6400, which is crazy. It's a little bit dusty right now, you know. I need a little bit of treatment for it. And then of course my Elgato ring light, the Shure mic right here. We got the Elgato Stream Deck, which does help for my streams since I do stream a lot on Twitch these days, guys. If you haven't, go check it out. They're just like sleeping. They're kind of like cats. This is actually a really good recommendation for audio splitter, for a really good, like at least pretty good quality of audio. Because I've been dealing with like audio splitters before, like actually these ones are doo-doo, bro. Straight trash, bro. But these Amazon Basics, and you have like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports? Kind of crazy. Headphones I use. I like these specifically. These are expensive, but these feel so good, especially for a long day of editing. These Wanho chests support my wrist so much. Thank you. Bless. This was gifted by one of my Twitch followers. Showed you. He also gifted the Tay in the back. What's good? How you doing? How you doing? What's poppin'? Look at this. Look at the in between, bro. Like all up in there, bro. All up in there. I love stuff like this. This is kind of, it's not cursed, but also when you first see it, you be like, oh, okay. Like this Jigglypuff, Dwayne Johnson. I definitely use a lot of cam links for like to get my DSLR connected to the computer. This is my PC. I think I might have to upgrade it though. I'm not sure what the specs are. It is like a little bit beat down because it's missing like one of its legs, so I have to use an Asian flush card to hold it up. I'm not sure what the specs are at the moment. I definitely talked about it before. I'm gonna have to get back to you on that. For editing, to those that care about editing wise, I do use Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro has been like a go-to for the past like 3 years, especially when I switched to PC. But if I go back to Mac, I could probably go to Final Cut pretty easily. Oh yeah, my green screen, yo. So this is my green screen that I use to pop up like right here, right behind me. It's not the biggest green screen that I'm used to, but this is so easy to put away. Like to take out and put away, it's so easy. Again, thank you to Motion Gray for the chair and the table. They definitely helped a lot, especially with like my well-being. Cause your boy had like back problems, real talk. Like I was like, I need a different chair. And it was because of the chair too. They came to the rescue. And with the desk as well, so shout out to them again. Link in the description, Motion Gray, go check them out. And that's it, that's basically my setup. Again, shout out to Motion Gray, go check it out. Link in the description down below for their desks and chairs and a lot of other things that they have. If you guys want to know more about my room or room tour, I don't think my room's ready enough. Like maybe up to there. I did move in like late like summer this year. But again, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe if you're curious about more other things that I work with, or like how my editing is, or like even YouTube. If you want to know more, please ask away. I would love to answer it in the comments as well, so I'll be answering comments. And if I can't only answer it in the comments, and I'll just probably make a video too. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X, so that joint is old school.